my Cocolatos, it's Cocoleetos and welcome to another video. So today's video is I'm getting ready for my trip to France. So you guys won't be seeing a video anytime soon. I look really bad. I just kind of woke up and yeah. So this will be the last time I see you guys until I come back from my trip, because I won't have time. Well, okay, so my trip is through the 14th through the 24th, which is basically the end of June. So you guys won't be able to see the trip until like I come back. So, but I guess you guys get to see me packing for my trip. So I got these new glasses, which I will go over of what I got for my trip and everything, which I think these are really cute and very French, because you know French like to wear cat eye sunglasses. So I'm about to get ready and yeah, I guess that's basically it. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so the things that I got for my trip was this little global adapter, which basically when I go over to France, if I can open it with one hand, when I go over to France, they have different adapters. So basically when you plug in like your phone, they don't have the same outlet as us. Their outlet's like this. So what I do, I just plug in my phone in the back or whatever I need charge, or in my hair straightener or curler or whatever. I plug it in back here and then I plug it into their wall with this and put it in. So, and there's different ones, like this one says Europe and Middle East, Africa, Asia, and Caribbean. Same thing as this one. This is the same thing, I think. Yeah, same thing. So if I need like to charge two things at once, which I probably will, I have that. And then this one's for other ones, like this one. I think this one, hang on, let me see if I can take it apart with one hand. Ah! So this one's obviously our outlet, America's outlet, stuff, whatever. And then this one is for Great Britain, Ireland, Africa, Hong Kong, and Singapore, which I think theirs goes like this or something, I can't remember, but those are the adapters that I have for that. So when I go over there to charge my phone and stuff like that, I can do that. Then I have a power bank for my phone, just in case, like if I'm videoing and my phone dies, I can charge it while I'm walking around doing videos and stuff like that. And then I got these cute little hairpins, which I thought were really cute. So I have like, they're basically well, they're not hairpins, they're hair clips. And they have like, they're butterflies, and they are different colors. Like that one was black. We have a purple, a reddish orange, and a blue. So there's that one. And then I got these little cute bobby pin arrow hairpins. So I thought these were pretty cute, and I was like, some hairstyles with those. And I got this little cute scrunchie, which I thought was really French. So I was like, okay. So basically, if I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail or in a bun, I can just do it like that. And then obviously I got these cute little glasses, which I was like, oh, I gotta get these glasses. These were like $5, and I got these from like Route 21. Easy. Let me, if I can open them so I can put them on. So yeah, there's these glasses, which I thought were really cute, and I was like, I gotta get these glasses. You know, I'm going to France, I have to. So, and then I got another shirt, just the same one, or the same, it's a different color but same style as the orange one. And then I got this purse, this cute little hipster bag, for $10 at H&M. It was on sale, so I was like, yes. So I'm also gonna go shopping a little bit today. I need to get some leggings, more undergarment stuff, and I think that's basically it. I got more hair stuff, like I got little baby tiny travel shampoo stuff or body wash. I got hairspray, And then I got dry shampoo just in case, like, if I'm running late or something, I can just spray that on and I'm good. And I got little hair ties for, you know, hairstyles and stuff. And then a little mouthwash, and I already have like a tiny thing of toothpaste, and I have like a toothbrush because, you know, I went to the orthodontist and they gave you like smaller baggy stuff. I was like, okay. So that's basically all that I have that I bought. So I'm gonna get my clothes together, trying to figure out what I'm bringing and what I need to bring, or what I need to buy to bring, and that's basically it. So okay, that's it. So let me show you packing stuff. So see you there. So I have like 4 skirts so far, and I have my shoes, which I'm gonna wear these for like church service. Those are for like walking around or whatever. These are for like if we're going like, I don't know, if like going through a park or jogging, going up hills, whatever, going outside basically will be, or going hiking or something like that kind of stuff. But those are the shoes I would wear. And then I have like, this is an undershirt. I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna take this shirt or not. These shirts I'm pretty sure I'm taking. I know I'm taking this one, and I'm gonna take maybe this one, and I'm going to take this one. And then I have these shirts right here. I have this one I'm gonna wear when I go to the airport, so they know who I am, so they know I'm going with them, duh. And then this one is when we do our surf shirts. And that's basically all I have so far. I'm still looking through what I'm gonna take. So, okay. So basically this is what I have so far. I kind of glammed it up because it looked really bad earlier. So, I have my tops over here. And then I have like an undershirt where I can like wear under, where I have like a top and I can wear it underneath. Those are for my AYC trips. The dark green one is for when I arrive at the airport, and the green one is when you'll see that in the video in the future. Those are all the shoes, and those are all my accessories and stuff like that. And that pile's the I don't know pile, because I don't know if I'm going to take it or not. And I have like 5 skirts. This is a dress, but you've seen that before. And those are going to be my dressy or dress pile over there, and that's kind of like my sleeping stuff. So that's basically all I have so far. I'm still looking. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna take and everything. So I'll show you when that's all done. Okay, see ya. Okay, so I found more stuff. I found more tops, and those are all my undershirts. I have a black and like 3 white shirts. And then I got some socks, more dressy stuff and everything. AYC stuff, and then I got my pillow, or my neck pillow for the trip, and I got more clothes that I'll go through that too, just to sort out. And then I have more skirts. I have 5 so far, but I'm about to get another one, which I bought from Forever 21, and that's the maybe pile. So pretty much, oh, then I added my hat, which I might wear that for my trip too. So, and let's just go through my tops real quick, just because we're already here. So I have this top, which I don't even remember where I got it from. It might have been like, I think Route 21 or H&M maybe. I don't know. Well, let me look. Yep, Route 21. This shirt is so old. I had this like, I probably had this shirt for like a year now. So I'm thinking about taking that one. And then I found this really cute old one that I haven't worn in like so long. Like, I'll wear this one with a white top underneath it, with I don't know, a jean skirt maybe, one of my light jean skirts, with some accessories. I'm not sure, maybe like my golden arrow hairpins with it. Probably have my hair in a braid maybe, we'll see. So that's one outfit, or one top. And you've already seen these ones, which this is a yellow one, same one as the orange one. And I have this one, which I'm thinking about taking. And this is kind of dirty because, oh, whatever. So I have this one. And then I also have the Le Weekend, which of course I had to have this if I'm going to France. So Le Weekend, which means the weekend, obviously. And then this is just another striped one, which same as this one. Then I have that one, which you guys have already seen since I've already went through some of these shirts. And then let me just put these back and then I can show you my skirts. And then for my skirts, I have, obviously you've seen this one for my senior picture ones. So I have this skirt that I have, and then I have the zip one, which looks like that. Basically it goes all the way down and then like that. So that's one skirt, or the second skirt that I have. Then I just have these normal jean skirts that look like this. This one doesn't have that, but they're basically the same skirt. And then I have this one, the button down one, which I absolutely love that skirt. And then I have another one, which is getting sewn up because it's a little bit too short. And then I just have some socks, which I need to get more socks. And then I have this little high-low, I forgot what it's called. It's a high-low dress, basically, where a wraparound, that's what it is, a high-low wraparound dress. And then you've seen this dress before, and just some undershirts. And then I have my hat and a neck pillow for my trip on the airplane. And then I have some more clothes, which I need to go through. And then I'll show you what's all in there. There's just a bunch of like basically just hair stuff and deodorant and razors and stuff like that for me to shave and everything like that. So that's basically all I have so far. I have more leggings. I have some of my hang on a second. So yeah, basically I have all of my pajama stuff done. I have shorts, I have my leggings and some tank tops and sleeping stuff, more sleeping stuff to be, and I need more socks, and I think that's basically it. I need to find my white skirt, which I have no idea where I put that, and then I need to get my hair stuff together. So I'm almost done packing, and plus I need to count how many days I'm wearing for each day. So there might be a service for every night. I'm not sure. I have to look at it and everything. So yeah, that's so far. And then later today when I'm done packing, I'm going to go and get my eyebrows done. Possibly, maybe, we'll see. So let's continue looking for more clothes. So see you there. Okay, so I got more clothes. So I have this little, like, I don't even know what to call it. It's like a, I don't even know. It's like a tank top, kind of. A tank top dress, basically. And I'll wear it under, or I'll wear, maybe this one, or this one, the striped one. Either one of these with this black little tank top dress kind of thing. And I'll just wear a black skirt with it. This is just what I was wearing earlier, but I changed my clothes, so I need to wash that anyway. And I'm thinking about taking this vest one, just because it's cute and I have nothing else to wear that is cute. And then obviously you've seen this. So this is pretty much what I have so far. I need to fold them and then start putting them in my suitcase. And then I got more dresses. I got this flannel one that I have with a jumper, and this little top that I have that my friend gave me, and that's basically it. I really need to go, and I have enough leggings. I just need to go and get more stuff for my trip, like socks and stuff like that. So that's basically it. So I'll show you when we are packing up all of this. So see you when we're doing that. See ya. Okay, so I have everything packed, or not, well, packed. My suitcase is over there. I have to put all the clothes into my suitcase. But everything is all done. Those are all my tops. These are my shorts and leggings, my undershirts, some of my dressy stuff, shoes, AYC shirt, purse, hat. Might take that. This is all my hair stuff and facial wash and stuff like that. It's my skirts and my suitcase. And then it has my name on it. So then I'm all set and ready for that. So I just need to put all my clothes in here and I am done. So I'll show you when I'm packing. See you guys there. Bye. Okay, this is the end of the video. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, tell me what your favorite part of the video was. And I guess I won't see you guys until my trip is over. Since I won't be able to edit or do anything for my videos, I'll be able to take videos of it, but I won't be able to edit and post them on YouTube for you guys to see. So you guys will have to wait until I come back from my trip. So it's gonna be 12 days. So I'll see you guys in 12 days, I guess. Or I guess I'll see you while I'm on the trip. So I love you guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and share with your friends. And I'll be doing more braces videos, which I'm going to be doing an update of my teeth and stuff, since I had gotten my wires in, and I want to do like a real update on, or a quick update on that. So if you guys want to see more braces videos, share with your friends, or if your friends want to see more braces videos, make sure you tell them about Cocoleetos so they can watch my updates on my teeth. And if you guys want to see more braces updates, make sure you guys subscribe, and I will post more braces videos and lots of more stuff that you guys want to see. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.